Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Easy English Learning. In this video, you're going to learn how to complete a room check-in process at a very luxurious resort. Listen carefully and answer the following question. How can the guests reach the front desk during their stay?
Good afternoon. Welcome to Hilton Vacation Resort. How may I help you today?
Hi, we have a reservation under the name James Carter.
Certainly. Let me check that for you. Yes, Mr. Carter, I found your booking. You have a one-bedroom king suite for 5 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Wonderful. Before we finish your check-in, may I please see your photo ID and a credit card?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you very much. Everything looks good. Now, I have 2 room options available for you. Would you prefer a suite with a pool view, or would you like a quieter room away from the pool?
I think we'd like the pool view.
Yes, the pool view sounds nice.
Great choice. I'll assign you a room overlooking the main pool.
Speaking of the pool, how many pools do you have here?
We have 2 swimming pools on the property.
Oh, nice.
The main pool is larger and deeper. It's great for swimming and relaxing. We also have a smaller pool that's shallower and more suitable for children and families.
That sounds good.
Both pools are open every day from 9 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Perfect.
Is there a fitness center on site?
Yes, there is.
Where can we find it?
It's in Building B, just behind the main pool. It's open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Excellent. I like to work out in the mornings.
Do you serve breakfast or dinner here? I'm afraid we don't have a restaurant at the resort.
Oh, I see.
But don't worry, there are plenty of restaurants and fast food places nearby. I'd really like to try some local food while we're here.
In that case, I'd recommend Sunset Grill. It's one of the most popular local restaurants in the area.
Is it far from here?
Not at all. It's only 2 blocks away, and the prices are quite reasonable.
That sounds perfect.
We'll definitely give it a try.
Tomorrow, we're going on a hiking tour.
That sounds exciting.
We'd like to buy some snacks, bottled water, and drinks for the hike.
Is there a supermarket nearby?
Yes, there's a Walmart about 5 minutes drive from the resort.
That's very convenient.
You'll find everything you need there. Since you're going hiking tomorrow, would you like a wake-up call?
Yes, please.
What time would you like us to call you?
Could you wake us up at 5 a.m., please?
Certainly. I've scheduled a wake-up call for 5 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Thank you. We also need to be at our tour pickup point by 6:30 a.m.
Could you arrange a taxi for us?
Of course. What time would you like the taxi?
Could it arrive here at 6 a.m.?
Certainly. I'll book one for you.
Thank you very much.
Now I'd like to ask about your vehicle.
Sure.
How many vehicles did you drive here?
Just one.
Great. Could you please fill out this parking reservation form with your vehicle details?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your parking permit. Where should we put it? Please place it on your vehicle's dashboard or hang it from your rear view mirror where it's clearly visible.
No problem.
You can use your room key card to open the entrance gate whenever you leave or return to the resort. That's easy. You may park your car in any available parking space in front of your suite building.
Great. Thanks.
Before we finish, I'd like to remind you of a few resort rules.
Sure.
We have a no smoking policy inside all rooms and buildings. That's fine. We also don't allow pets in the resort.
Understood.
I'll also need your credit card for the $250 security deposit.
What is the deposit for?
It's a temporary security deposit in case there is any damage to the suite during your stay. Is it refundable? Yes, absolutely. After you check out, the full amount will be returned to your credit card, as long as there is no damage to the room.
That's good to know.
Thank you. Everything is ready now. Great. Your room is room 201 on the second floor of Building C.
Room 201. Got it.
Here are your room key cards. Thank you. Our complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the resort.
Wonderful. What's the network name and password?
The Wi-Fi network is Hilton Guest, and the password is Welcome 2026. Let me write that down. Hilton Guest, Welcome 2026. That's correct. If you need any assistance during your stay, simply dial 000 from your room phone to reach the front desk.
So just 000?
Yes, we're available 24 hours a day, so please don't hesitate to call if you have any questions or need any help. That's very reassuring.
You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for everything. You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay with us and have a wonderful hiking trip tomorrow.
Thank you.
Have a great day. You too. Welcome again to Hilton Vacation Resort.
Have you found the answer? Let me mention the question again. How can the guests reach the front desk during their stay? Leave your answer in the comment section. Keep practicing and keep confident. If you'd like to learn more practical English like this one, don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.